I don't read how the he getting booked. Car white, but it say black when you getting cooked. I swear to God, any artist signing me, they getting pushed. She say, why you always wearing black, baby? That's the look, you know? That's the time I'm on. I don't kiss on no. Only thing touch my lips is the styrofoam. Wish I hit that stick, but I fired on it. Look like your got some grip, you got pliers, don't you? Heard she got some pull. Come on, let me do it. Check the Drake after a couple spins, you might break the rule. Tell baby, you ain't gotta stress, I got paid to do it. Pull a hundred off, somebody say, I bet you ain't gonna do it. To the point I can't drop cars if that ain't tinted. I got some turning, bust my lip, I hit it with my pendant. I got 4 picks that stay on tip, but I keep them fenced in. Bust watch on my arm, I rock it like a wristband. Touch that and catch the R, bullets burn like bliss sticks. You know, it's easy to talk that tough shit. Can you stand behind it? The trick shot, don't let them stand behind you. You can't play like no bitch, I stand behind. I don't wanna rap, and I hope y'all ain't offended by it. And if you is, I don't even give a I ain't never striker boy, bro, you might as well fill it up. Get off and then she might just give you something. I just spent 400 on this drink, bro, I ain't spilling nothing. Me and Graham so locked in, our buzzing. Bitch just got off for a stick, you better stuff it. My first team with all blues, I ain't even wanna touch it. That was all illegal money, I got that off the gutter. With a 10-pound board like this Lucky Strike. I know that you ain't easy, but I'ma be pissed if I don't. She riding past y'all, so they come over.
Attack it. There you go, mid-range. That's all that. Mid-range. Attack it. There we go. I like it. I like it. Mid-range. Big pump and go. Good finish. Good finish. Good finish.
Rodney Allen. Rodney Allen was next up in the
You know Coach Mike Evans, the coach out there?
I think I've seen him.
That's my cousin.
Here we go. There we go.
All the way. Stay on your. Oh! Woo! Are you using the rest of the Woo!
I just need my space right now.
I'm an all-star team, far from a rookie, Louis Graveyard shit that I don't rock, nigga, fuck you, Mr. Rock and plain Jane, but the Audemars stomp it. I was always told, boy, you better shoot if you gon' aim. Smell the eyes at Chanel, finna blow a bag, you can't be like me if you ain't never worked the skill. I'm a couple houses down, I'm just waiting on the meal. I break here, bitches front row, still yelling. I ain't this time for it, I done bossed up in Pelly. I'm God's son, but his demons on the Charlie.
I didn't know you could lie. I'm just mad we didn't think of it.
Even though we prepared for 24 last night, I still think he took us by surprise. It was not me, but I think he took the boys by surprise.
Keep shooting.